Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying precise dimensions and clearance points so the wrap aligns perfectly. Measure twice to avoid rework. Clean the surface thoroughly with solvent and lint-free cloth so adhesive bonds reliably. Once done, lay out the wrap material and trim a generous margin, and position masking tape guides around vents and seams. You should also label components and disconnect power where needed for safety. These initial actions prevent mistakes and set you up for controlled, clean out. You now apply the wrap using a slow center-out technique so air and bubbles escape toward the perimeters. Heat the film gently and locally to make it pliable. Use short pulses rather than continuous high heat to protect plastics. Make gradual adjustments, stretching only where necessary, and tuck excess at vents and seams with a precision tool. As you trim, keep firm control of the blade angle to avoid nicking trim pieces. This is where patience and steady hands preserve the dashboard finish. You finish by trimming final edges, applying low heat to set the adhesive, and reinstalling components while checking alignment and electronics. Once assembled, inspect seams and edges closely. If lifting occurs, press with squeegee, apply an adhesive promoter, or reheat briefly to reseal. Make sure vents and controls move freely, and perform a short drive test to confirm no rattles. If problems persist, use a patch or replace the affected section. Having spares simplifies repairs and restores a flawless look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.